this morning, British Columbia. Kind of a little bit sad, but we are leaving British Columbia, doing a mountain pass, which has been quite a long time since the last time I've done it. They redone the road is so much better. It used to be like a one lane, and the big truck was slowing down everybody. It's just, yeah, it used to be a little bit painful drive if you want. So now it's just like super wide, super nice. I don't know if you hear the click, 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 click. It's my fan. The fan when I'm driving and the fan is, the door is open, it just make a squeak, squeak, squeak. It make a squeak when it's on, but it make a squeak a little bit more when it's not. You hear it more.
Let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue.
There's some people traveling with the chicken. Some people are more trained than us, kitty. What do you think about that? Do you want some chicken? Do the van. So just did a little quick stop. We are in the town of Field, British Columbia. I think we're still in British Columbia. Yeah, that's so funny. Some people travel with their chicken. Yeah, just stopped because it was raining a lot and I need to change my wiper. I purchased those wiper on the road trip last summer, I'm pretty sure, up north. And right away when I put them, I didn't like that they leave like a stripe on my window. You know, you pay like $50 for stupid wiper. They don't do the job. And they're just getting really, really bad right now. So I'm not gonna change them right now because we are in the national park, and I think it's just gonna cost me double just to change my wiper. But when we hit Calgary, I'm gonna change them definitely because they're getting just bad. But now it stopped raining, so we're gonna be able to drive a little bit more.
It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. Bad mood, sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you?
So we are currently parked at the casino, but they're doing some kind of, a little bit confused if I can sleep here tonight because I slept here. So we left the provincial national park where we cannot sleep other than going to a campground. and we are just on the other side at the casino, and I slept here a couple time in the past, no problem. But they have one sign that say no RV and semi-truck camping in with like the date, which is right now. But I don't know if they just meant like big RV because of they put in a tent or whatever they're doing there. But decide to park because we have some thunderstorm and like bad weather, and I'm just tired of driving today. I drove 2.5 hours, which is a little bit more than I kind of like to drive, just because, well, I wanted to pass the provincial park, national park. I don't know why I'm all confused with national park. It's a national park of Banff and Lake Louise and all this, so I had to drive a little bit more. My plan is tomorrow is to go back a little bit and enjoy the last little bit of Rockies that we can get. But right now I knew the bad weather is on the way, and I thought that I heard some thunder, and yeah, I'm just tired of driving right now, so I didn't want to even to explore. It was too much. Yeah, it's coming. I've been just crawling here online for like 2 minutes to just look at other campground in this area, and I just, whoa, it's way more windy now. So I feel better. I'm not going to be the only one here. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, the sign was like super small in the bottom. It was like, I just saw no RV overnight. I think it was no RV semi truck overnight. And some date, which I think it was starting today. I'm not sure. I am glad though that we stopped driving, because whoa, I would not like to drive right now. The whole van shaking. And everything is closed. And those guys try to pull a structure before the storm's coming. They're just running everywhere. Oh, I think they're losing a portion of that structure right now. Oh, good thing the wind's going the opposite direction of where I am. I hope we're not gonna get any hail or stuff like this. So Alberta is known to have those type of storm and like really bad concentration of storm. In British Columbia we don't like get them too often, but Alberta more often. And they have sometimes the hail that you guys get in the States. I think, you know, those damaging hail. I don't want that. If that happened, I'm running underneath the gas station. I don't know if it's the best way to do it, but she'll be alright. She'll be alright. If you don't know, I love storm though. Not the one that damaged, but I love storm. So this is the map of the cloud, and this is not good. Edmonton people. That's gonna start some wildfire, unfortunately. Yep. I hope not, but yeah, that's not good. And us, we are right there right now. So Alright, look like we're gonna have another storm again. There's only 2 other people in their car who seem they're gonna sleep here. Don't think it's any big RV. So yeah, I guess we'll see if we get a knock. I think we're gonna be fine. And hopefully no hail or big storm or big weather. Hopefully. So I guess you're gonna have to see in a couple of seconds if everything's alright for me or me. That's gonna be tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. So, as you realize, we didn't get any knock. Succeed. There's a couple other people in their car in their little camper that camp here, but most people camp park at the truck stop, and the truck stop was overfull. And they park along behind me where they're not supposed to. There's a sign said no big trailer, but they didn't have choice. So I'm kind of glad that I stay here and I didn't park over there and take their space because it is jam-packed over there. Like this truck everywhere. Even in a roundabout. That's crazy. A roundabout right there. Even in the roundabout. That's crazy. So I'm just gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna wake up. I have my allergy this morning. It was just like so I'm gonna make a cup of tea. I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna eat it a little bit, and we're gonna go explore and enjoy this beautiful weather and mountain because wow, it's gorgeous this morning. Way different than yesterday. Alright, I must admit my allergy this morning are bad. I don't know if you hear me. So we're gonna go drive to the next town and go have a nice warm shower, and hopefully it's gonna help the whole thing. Oh, some section was so windy, it was hard to steer the van. I was like, at one point I thought that the van had a problem. I was like, is it alright? The wind, like, because when you're in the mountain, just the wind just move between the mountain, and it's just like some section can be like super windy, and after that you have nothing. And after that you have a lot of wind, and it's just like kind of make you van feel strange. So I'm gonna go for a quick shower at Anytime Fitness, and after that we're gonna go explore the town. I think we are clean and fresh, Getty. That shower was 10 out of 10 out of 10. It was warm, and the pressure was insane, and yeah, so it was good, Kitty. What do you want? Some attention? You always want attention. You always want attention. Yeah. Aww. Thank you. Kitty, you're so brave now. There's a train passing behind us, making a lot of noise. But Miss Kitty, she's alright. She used to hate train, just the sound of it. But she's alright. Love it. So we're gonna go walk a little bit downtown Kenmore, which is gorgeous. It's early in the morning, so I think only a little coffee place are open right now. I got a vegan brownies. That's the only thing vegan they had. Oh. Oh my god. This is like a fudge. So good. I thought I would have their brownies because this is like a bagel shop. I already had breakfast, so I didn't feel to have, you know, another kind of breakfast, but this is like so rich. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I'm gonna keep it for later, but it's so good. Yeah, it's chilly outside, kitty. There's a ton of people with, I even saw some winter jacket or all bundled up. I'm in shorts right now. It's cold outside, but it was fun to spend a little bit of time in Kenmore. It's been a while since I was here, so it was great to do a little mini stop, although it's early, so not so many shops are open, but we found the best shop. I'm gonna have to come back and try the bagel though. But yeah, Kitty, that's not for you though. It's got chocolate, but it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty, obviously. Oh, she decided to go eat too. Hungry, Kitty, too? Yeah. Oh, we have the little people checking if I paid the parking, which I did. Don't give me any ticket. I pay my parking. Yeah, he said that I pay. There you go. Good guy. Can we have some kisses? Okay. Kisses? Like, oh, we didn't give you kisses, guys. You're right. You give us a kiss.